Hello everyone, so today in this video I'm going to show you how to convert this Nerf gun slash gel blaster gun into a powerful BB gun. So you can see that barrel I have modded and put a 6mm barrel straight into the pump right here. So it is really powerful, and I'm going to show it first before we start showing how to do it. So let's go and check it out. Okay, let's shoot this gun straight towards that can over there. 1, 2, 3. There you go. That is really powerful. Okay, for this project what you will need is you need to buy this toy gun. This is a BB toy gun which cost me around 50 cents each. So for this project we will only use the barrel and the rubber gasket. We take apart this toy gun here and we will take this part. This is the barrel and this is the rubber gasket which will hold the BBs. So basically this barrel internal diameter is 6mm. So basically if you already have a specific barrel such as a brass barrel or aluminum barrel or maybe copper barrel, you can proceed with this project by only buying just one of this gun. But if you don't have any specific barrels for this project, you will need 3 of this gun. So it will cost you around $1.50 just to buy 3 of this gun, because we are going to use 3 of this barrel and we are going to combine those barrels into one long barrels. So we only need to use one rubber gasket here and put it in the end of the barrels just to hold the bullet, just to hold the BBs at the back. And so now I'm going to disassemble the rest of the gun, and I'm going to take apart and take these barrels. I'm going to combine it and we'll see the progress. Okay, right now as you can see, the super glue is still wet right there, so I'll let it dry and you will have a straight long barrel. Okay, so here is what you need. So this one is a gel blaster, or it can be on the second mode, which is the Nerf mode. So you can see here in the box, it can be either gel blaster mode or Nerf mode. So we're going to turn this into BB gun. So basically, if you want to see how powerful this is, so let's open it up. Just very little stuff, and that's it. And so basically here you can see this is the gun. This is big, but it looks cool. That's why I bought this one, this model, because you can see the design. It's pretty cool, and you can see it's reload like this, and yeah, just like that. So okay, so the first thing that we need to do is we need to remove every screws in here, and we're going to take this gun apart. So let's do it. Okay, so I managed to remove all the screws here, and you can see, let's try to open it up. And yeah, that is the inside mechanism of this thing. So as you can see, the chamber here is quite big, so we are going to use this chamber to push our BBs into this chamber. So as you can see here, this barrel right here is quite big, so we're going to replace it with the barrel that we made earlier so that it can fit inside here. So basically what we need to do is we need to fit this guy inside here, and how to do that is first we need to measure the chamber that we already made right here, measure it with the original chamber, and we are going to cut the excess part of the chamber, the barrel right here. We're going to cut that excess part, and we're not going to throw away that excess part, because we're going to use this part later on to put it inside here, and you will see what I mean by that. And so the next thing that you need to do is you need to glue it together like this. Okay, glue it using super glue, and you'll see what I mean by this. Okay, so once you've done cutting this barrel, we will use this part and we're going to glue it inside here. Okay, so remember that I told you to glue the rubber gasket like this. So this will be the interconnection between this part and this part. So basically the bullet, when you reload the gun, the bullet will stuck in middle here. We will use this tube, and as you can see here, this tube will go inside this pump here. It goes like this, and we're going to glue this right here, and we're going to cut this tube based on how long will it able to reach to put the bullet right here. So we're going to do that first and we'll see the result. Okay, you can see those orange part, I already glued it inside, so now it is like, it works like this. It becomes a single part, and as you can see, I already glued the tube and I measured just the right distance between the end of the tube with the end of the rubber gasket. So basically what it will do, when it's light, it will push the bullet just about that. So that I will show you a demonstration. So let's put the bullet inside here. Okay, as you can see, so this one will go like this into the barrel, and you can see those bullets right there. So when I push it, it will stuck right there. So you can see when the air bursts, it will burst out right at the end there at the rubber gasket, and the bullet will go straight out of this long barrel. Okay, so by default the bullet will drop in right here, and this pump, this guide will push the bullet like this. So since we have a long tube right here, so I already drilled this hole right here with the 6mm drill bit, and as you can see, I attach this plastic cylinder just a tiny bit so that I can later put it inside here. And as you can see, I already make a cut right there, a hole cut. So basically this hole, we won't use it, so that's why I make a blocker so that it will block the bullet from going this way, and the bullet will flow through here. And later on, let me try to put it in, and you can see when bullet will flow, just fall right inside here. So that is what we wanted. So this part we won't be using. We will use the hole that we make. As you can see, that's why I put this ring, so the bullet will flow here and drop into this hole that we made earlier, and so then this will push the bullet. When we reload, this will push the bullet right inside the rubber gasket. That is how the system works. Okay, so let me show you how this thing works, how the mechanism works. So basically, the bullet will be loaded on top, and so you can see this gradient right here. So it will go directly there, and it will fall right into the hole. You can see that one, it fall like right there. So right now it is not going inside the chamber yet, because there are a little tube that we attached to this pump earlier on. So basically how it works is that when you reload, you pull these things backwards, and you can see that bullet will fall right there. And then when this mechanism is locked, just like that, and then this one will go straight, pushing the bullet inside the chamber, and there you have it. You can see the bullet right there. So then when you pull the trigger, this one will be released, and the pressure is the compact air pressure will push the bullet straight into this barrel and straight out from this barrel, and that is how it works. Okay, so right now we are ready to assemble everything. You can see here I already glued this part with the rubber gasket, and here you can put the original tube, the original barrel inside like this, and you can glue it over here. So now you're going to put something that will hold this barrel in the middle. You can use a hot glue gun or something like that, and then we will screw it, put everything back together, and we will start shooting it. Okay, so let's try out this modded toy gun, which we are going to use the normal 6mm BB bullet, and we are going to load it inside our gun. So now there you go, lock and load. So we are going to shoot that can. Let's try for this distance. You hear that? Okay, let's shoot it one more time. Let's try and load this gun, and there you go, no sound. So let's shoot it like this. 1, 2, 3. Wait, I'm going to see the can, whether it is dented or not. Let's go. So let's zoom out. Let's see. Yeah, it is dented right here, and right here. So you can see there. You can see the dent right there, and yeah, right there. Okay, right now let's try out to shoot it at a close distance, and we already loaded the bullet inside, as you can see here. So if you think that the bullet will go through the can, leave a comment down below. What is your answer? Is it going to go through the can or not? Just comment yes or no. Okay, so this is the answer. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3. You can see there, the water is dripping out. There you go. So the answer is yes or no. It's in the middle. So yeah, let's shoot it one more time on a different spot. So load the gun, reload, shoot right here. Closer, as you can see. Let's try to shoot. 1, 2, 3. Oh damn, this is dented pretty damn deep. Yeah, you can see there. Let's try to shoot it one more time. One more time. Okay. Make sure there is no dent right here. Okay, this one is clean. Let's shoot it. 1, 2, 3. There you go. You can see this part is also bleeding out. So there are 2 spots that are bleeding out right now. You can see this spot and this spot. So this is just a deep dent. Yeah, so that's it. So if you enjoy watching this video, please leave a comment, give a like, and don't forget to subscribe. So hope you enjoy watching my video. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a good day.